This is one of my Patreon exclusive minis, and I'm going to show you how I painted it. I first start out with a flat white primer. I lightly hot glue the mini to a platform to make painting easier, and the colors I use for this mini are Lilac Mist, Bright Magenta, Fuchsia, and Jet Black. I first start with a few coats of the Lilac Mist all around the ghost, and then I paint the bow with the Bright Magenta, and then I use Jet Black for both of the eyes and the eyelashes. I use the Fuchsia for the top of the eyes for some eyeshadow, and if it becomes uneven like how I did, I just go back in with the Jet Black and make crisper lines. And after I'm all done painting, I use a satin clear finish. This is what it looks like when it is all done. You can get this ghost from my Patreon, being a Phantom patron, as an STL file, or with the Valentine's Ghost Kit from my Etsy at scenicuriosities.com.